And Denise, back to school tomorrow, and it's really going to be feeling like fall. Wouldn't be surprised if people got a little overzealous, started putting out the Halloween decorations out there. A big picture for you. I mean, it's a stunning one across the Mid-Atlantic and the Great Lakes. Satellite and radar, it is absolutely dry. Lots of sunshine both today and then for the next few days. That brief little bout of cloud cover we had last night was just that. It was relatively brief. Again, cleared out and temperatures dropped to record lows earlier this morning, 52 at BWI. That beats the old record of 53. We still have some of those clouds out there, a little hard to see, but dry across the central Maryland. Temperatures starting to cool now, back down to 77 at BWI. And this number right here, that dew point, when it's in the 40s and lower 50s like that, means the air is very dry. The humidity is very low and will remain pretty low through the evening hours. And with that in mind, temperatures drop quickly as soon as the sun sets. We're back into the 60s in Baltimore by 10 to 11 p.m. If you live outside the core of the city, and then especially outside the Beltway, it's going to cool even more quickly than that. Out the door tomorrow morning in Hagerstown, 56, Westminster 56, Baltimore County, most of us low to mid-50s, in the city upper 50s to near 60, Bel Air 54, Eastern Shore widespread low to mid-50s near the Delaware state line. Though notice Stevensville, you get closer to the bay and then adjacent to the Bay Bridge, Kent Narrows, Kent Island area, temperatures closer to 60, water keeping you just a little bit warmer. For those that are going back to school for week 2 or maybe the first day of school for some, light jackets, not the worst idea, or long sleeve shirt early in the morning, but we're shedding that extra layer as we get into the mid-morning hours. Temperatures climbing back into the mid-60s and will continue to warm heading deeper into the afternoon. So for the bus ride home or walking home, taking the bike, plan on temperatures in the upper 70s to near 80 for the kiddo. Short sleeves, classic weather here, lots of sunshine, low humidity. La Plata 77, similar in Baltimore. We should hit 80 in Westminster and Frederick, 76 in Cambridge. And across Baltimore City, really much of the same. Cherry Hill 78. Again, we're talking about neighborhoods in the city and then just adjacent. Hampton 79, Roland Park 79. Curtis Bay is at 81 tomorrow afternoon. Hour by hour forecast. Today we had a few of those clouds bubble up and get kind of dark towards the bottom of the clouds. No one reported any rain, but a sprinkle or two possible. And we'll see that trend again tomorrow. Notice at noon, little blip in Harford County. A few more little blips both sides of the Chesapeake Bay. Very isolated and hard to even call it rain, but could be a couple of sprinkles underneath these clouds tomorrow afternoon. Similar story Wednesday. Greater rain chance in western Maryland. Really, though, for this next setup, next best chance of rain, we're watching Thursday, in particular evening time Thursday. Notice much of the afternoon through 2 p.m. we're pretty dry. And then after dinner time, that kind of line of rain moves in Thursday evening, Thursday night, and then going into early Friday morning. Could have a couple more showers late Friday into early Saturday, but the best rain chance probably while you're sleeping Thursday. And that gives way behind that front to more gorgeous weather, Denise. 70s in the afternoons and sunshine heading into next weekend.
Forecast. Thank you, Cutter.